Hey guys, it's me Akram again from TWTR. In my today's video, I'm going to cover Twitter. On the market right now, it is one of the most spoke stocks. Anyway, Elon Musk exploring Twitter tender offer lines up 46.5 billion in financing commitments for takeover bid. Also, we all are watching just to take the opportunity. Just to ride the boat upon a news, see whatever happens. We're completely okay with the situation, right? Let's see. The announcement, which was revealed in an updating filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) on Thursday, also notes that Mr. Musk has received commitments of approximately 46.5 billion to help finance a potential deal. The funding includes roughly 21 billion in equity financing, around 25.5 billion in debt financing through Morgan Stanley senior funding and other firms, including Bank of America and so on. The filing emphasizes that Musk has not decided on whether he will make a tender offer and that he may take other steps to further his proposal. Now he's exploring. Now he's exploring that whether to commence a tender offer to acquire all outstanding shares of Twitter's common stock, citing the board's lack of response to his 54.20 per share offer to take the social media giant private. As you guys know that it is from his last Twitter post that I can see on his Twitter personal account. Anyway, we are just exploring right now. The stocks was consolidating. It was slightly up today, less than 1%. So which is good still now because the support is holding around $45 per share or above that, and so far I can see that which is 95 point. It should be somewhere like that. Let me check it out. 200 540 60 60. So basically we can see that there are around 900 over 900 million shares should be in hold so far because the stock has gap up in 4th April. Since then it sold off some of the shares, but still people are holding, and we are expecting that it could have a break even around that $48.56 per share. If it happens, that we are expecting that it could even hit $50 per share within weeks, in the weekly range, so which is pretty good for us. People are overall buying it, and yeah, so far so good. And overall we are waiting for the updates from the Twitter board and see whether the guys are accepting their orders or what we can expect from them, and Mr. Musk too, because some of the people are saying that is the worst deal possible, but we are not interested in that, and see what happens. Because if Musk's perspective is that if he takes the company private, it will be one of the second company that right after Dell Corporation, that the Michael Dell took it private by himself. So right now Musk is public person. He is willing to take Twitter completely private for public's benefit, which is really good for goodwill. But we gotta see what happens here, because if it happens, at least it will take quarters long to bring the price upwards, but it can easily happen within months, in the monthly range. So the stock price could easily break even $55, which is the upper our upper side resistance. So far we can see that there are people who are holding it between $48 $40 to $51 per share. Between that range, around 700 million volumes are in hold. So we can expect that in the quarterly range it can easily break even $55 to $60. So which is relatively really good for people, those who consider to hold the stock for for a long swing. So which is around 30 to 35% profit range in the monthly range. So that's quite good enough for people. Anyway, so also there are some risks and a possible risk that you might not want to take. So in that case, some of the people will consider to have a stop loss somewhere between 45 to 43. Those who can afford more, they can easily average down somewhere near 42 to 40, something like that. Since the stock was gap up, this is another thing. So on the other hand, we can say that still we are waiting for the news. We don't know what can happen if the position comes up negative. if the board rejects, it could be another thing, so the stock price could fail as well. So yeah, we don't know still, but we're gonna see what happens in the upcoming days. So far so good, the stock is moving upwards as of now. We can buy it and we can hold it for a certain period of time in the daily range. So we're expecting that the price will bounce back, so we can get around 5% or something like that. So this is it. Let's see what happens, and we'll keep you guys updating in the next videos. All right, make sure to subscribe our channel and stay tuned.